Hey, it's Kellar Lawrence. Happy Mother's Day month. I just put the finishing touches on this month's Homeward Boundary Real Estate news, and I want you to let me know what you think about it. In this month's issue, you will read all about some of the best motherly advice that you can get. There's also a big shout out to those moms that are no longer here. And while I got you, we are well on our way to raising $25,000 for Greenwood Community Home Repair. Most don't know that Greenwood Community Home Repair is a nonprofit here in Greenwood. Used to be Habitat for Humanity. They depend and survive on donations to make home repairs for people that can't afford to make them themselves. So your referrals really do help the families here in Greenwood. Who do you know that might be considering buying or selling a home that you could refer to my real estate sales team? Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, but the families in Greenwood will benefit as well. Just give me a call or pass on my number to anyone that you know that might be considering buying or selling. My number is 864-941-2239. You can call or text me. Thanks so much for checking out this month's Homeward Bound Real Estate News. I hope you have an awesome month. Thanks.